Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can protect your eyes here at the iPhone 17. Yeah, there's a blue light filter included and this will let you sleep better. Let me show you a bit more about this nice feature. So let's go here on the settings first, then scroll down a bit to the point display and brightness. Scroll down a bit again to the point night shift. And pretty important is here the color temperature, so the opacity. And as more warm the color temperature is, as better it will be for your eyes and for your sleep. So I recommend to you that you don't have to turn it on and off by your own. Go here on scheduled and you can set up a time below, but I recommend to you to put it here on sunset to sunrise. That means if the sun sets, the blue light filter will turn on, and if the sun rises, the blue light filter will turn off automatically. If you feel tired during the day, you can also turn it on and enable it until tomorrow. This protects your eyes as well and let you feel a bit better. So just try it out. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and could show you a bit more about this nice feature. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe better next time. Ciao.